here's what we have going on outside the kitchen window, and I don't know if you can see the snow falling or not, but it really is falling at quite an impressive rate. I'm looking at the street here. As I get closer, you can see more snow falling here. It's quite impressive. Or you can see up towards the house, across the way from us. This is our driveway, although you can't see where our cars are parked because it's behind the other building. Look how much that tree is way down. And I have a little kitty who's very interested in seeing what's going on. Hello, sir. And pretty way down. Tomorrow we're expected to have some down power lines and stuff. Hope not over here, but that's what's going on. This is a very impressive storm, and this is just punch 1 of punch 2. Coming right along here. Okay. Sorry, kitties, you're just gonna have to wait.